Look at your guided notes where linear equation starts, and there's steps to solve. Now let's solve these four problems. First, get rid of your parentheses. That will be 3x plus 6 equals 5x plus 2. You've got four options. You can subtract 3x from both sides because you want to do the opposite of what's being done. You can subtract 6, subtract 5x, or subtract 2. Doesn't matter. What I normally do is try to get my variables together, and I will want to take them to the side that makes the coefficient positive. So I'm going to subtract 3x minus 3x minus 3x. So here they're gone, and you're left with 6 equal 2x plus 2. Now subtract 2 from both sides, and that gives me 4 equal 2x. And now divide both sides by 2, and that gives you 2 equals x. All right, number 2. You need to clear your fractions, and your common denominator is going to be 30. That's the smallest number that a 2, 3, and 5 will go into. So multiply everything by 30. And that will be 2 will go into 30 15 times. 15 times 3 is 45y. Minus 3 will go into 30 10 times. Minus 20. 5 will go into 30 6 times equals 6y. And now what I'm going to do is subtract 6y from both sides, and that gives me 39y minus 20 equals 0. And now move the 20 to the right, add 20 to both sides. And now divide both sides by 39. So that's y equals 20 divided by 39. You do number 3. Clear your fractions first. I'll do number 4. You've got a denominator of 5 and x plus 2. So you're going to have to multiply both sides by 5 and an x plus 2. Every term on both sides by 5 and an x plus 2. 5 and x plus 2. So here the 5's cancel, and you're left with 3 times x plus 2. Plus the x plus 2's cancel, and you're left with 7 times 5. And nothing cancels on the right. That would just be 10 times x plus 2. I recommend that you do not clear fractions and parentheses in the same step until you've practiced a lot. So this is 3x plus 6 plus 35 equals 10x plus 20. Combine on both sides. That will be 3x plus 41 equals 10x plus 20. Nothing combines on the right. Now let's subtract 3x from both sides. And that leaves you 41 equals 7x plus 20. Subtract 20 from both sides, and that gives you 21 equals 7x. Divide both sides by 7, and you get 3 equal x. I need to point out something. When the original problem has got variables in the denominator, as this second term has got an x plus 2 in the denominator, you need to make sure your solution does not give you 0 in the bottom. And 3 does not give you 0. The only solution that would give you 0 would be a negative 2. And if you were to get negative 2, you would throw it out.